What's up, guys? Garrison with Supreme Drone Services here. Today we're comparing the M350 to the M400 when it comes to setup and takedown time. We got the M400 here, so let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, M400 setup time. So I'm assuming it's going to take a little bit more time than the M350. You've got the propeller guards on the front and the back, and then you now have the protector for the LiDAR on the top. Not to mention it's a bigger drone. But that's setup time. Let's go ahead and get into takedown time with the M400. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, M400 takedown time complete. All right, guys, we're doing a setup and takedown time with the M350. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, M350 ready to fly. M350 takedown. Let's get started. We'll come around to the front like we were with the M400. 3, 2, 1, go. M350 takedown complete. All right, I'm gonna speed through them, show you guys the timestamp for them. You guys can see the comparison. All right, guys, that's it for the M350 versus M400 setup and takedown video. We're going to be doing a lot more comparisons between these two drones over the next couple of weeks and months. If there's something specific you would like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. Really appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.